So today we will start with chapter 11, surface area and volumes, exercise 11.4, question number 1. Okay, so here first question is find the volume of a sphere whose radius is, so here two questions are there, one question we are solving, so one and this question we are solving here. So formula, they want volume of sphere, volume of sphere equal to your 4 by 3 pi r cube it is. Okay, so 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into, here they have given second, in the second part it is 0.63, so 0.63 into 0.63 into 0.63. So by 3 we can cut it and it will come to 0.21. By this we can cut it 7 and this. So your is 488 into 0.21 into 0.09 into 0.63. So here 6 decimal point 6 digit answer is coming. So I will use calculator because otherwise it will take long time. Okay, so using our calculator I will write the figure. So equal to 88 into these two figures, first we are multiplying. Okay, so 0.189 into 0.63 meter cube. Okay, meter cube. Then now these two figures we can multiply in the calculator. 1.6632 into 0.63 meter cube equal to, then again we will multiply it, 1.047816 m cube. So up to 2 places, so it will become 5, 1.05 meter cube. Okay, this is answer. I have used the calculator because otherwise it will take too much time. Now we will go to question number 2. Now in the second question, find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball of diameter is given. So first question we are doing, second you can do yourself. So get diameter is giving equal to your 28 centimeter, 28 cm. So radius will be d upon 2, diameter upon 2 is equal to 28 upon 2 is equal to 14 centimeter. And they want the amount of water displaced. So always it will be equal to the volume of the solid, amount of water displayed. So water displaced, it is equal to volume. So that volume formula we will be using 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into 14. So by this we can cut it, it is coming 2. Okay, so 88 into 2 into 14 into 14 upon 3 it is coming. I will again use the calculator and write the answer because it will take to save our time. Okay, so this will be your answer. With the help of calculator I have done it. Okay, now we will go to question number 3. Now question number 3. Question number 3, the diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. So diameter is equal to 4.2 cm. So radius will be equal to 4.2 upon 2 is equal to 2.1 centimeter. Okay. What is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is, so before going to mass we have to first find the volume. Okay, so volume is equal to again 4 it is of a diameter metallic ball. Okay, so 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 3 times. 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1 because it is in the cube, radius is in the cube. Okay, so by 3 we can cut it. 0.3. Okay, this will remain for 88 into 0.7 into 0.7 is 0.21 into 2.1. Again here I will use the calculator to solve it. So now its density we have to find. Okay, so then mass we have to find out. So mass is equal to your density is given in the question, density into volume. Okay, so density in the question it is given as 8.9 gram and volume you have find out 38.808. Okay, so if you multiply by the calculator it will come to 345.3912 gram. Okay, so this equal up to 2 digits we will take 345.39 gram. Okay, this will be your answer. Okay, so this is your question number 3. Now we will go to question number 4. Question number 4. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. What fraction of the volume of earth is the volume of moon? So first moon is approximately 1/4 of the earth. So we will presume for earth, let diameter of earth, we will take such a figure which is divisible by 1/4 and diameter it is 2. So 4 into 2 by 8. So we will presume it as a 8r diameter. So radius of earth will be 4r. Okay. Now moon. So as moon diameter is 1/4 of earth equal to 8r upon 4 is equal to 2r. So radius of moon it will be equal to 2r upon 2 because it is the diameter. So upon equal to 2 is equal to r. It will become r and it is 4r diameter of earth. Now fraction we have to find out. So what fraction of the volume means volume of it and volume of it we have to find the fraction. So fraction of volume equal to volume of moon upon volume of earth. So moon, it will be, because R is there, so answer will be 4 by 3 pi R cube. Okay, and earth, it will be 4 by 3 pi, and R is there, R is earth R is 4R, so 4R and cube will become, because R cube is here, so it will become this one. So this will go out. Okay, so equal to R cube. R cube means R into R. Okay, and here it will 4R into 4R into 4R, because cube is there. So this will go, and this will go out. Here 1 will remain, and here 4 चौको 16 चौको 64. So what will remain? 1 by 64. This is the fraction. It will be the fraction. Okay. So by this question 4 is over. Now we will go to question number 5. Okay. 5. How many liters of milk can a hemisphere bowl? Hemispherical bowl means it is a sphere. This is a sphere. And hemisphere means half of it. It is hemisphere. Okay, so bowl is like this shape. Okay, here. So how many liters of milk can bowl of diameter 10.5 cm can hold? So diameter is given. Diameter is equal to 10.5 cm. So R is equal to 10.5 upon 2 is equal to 5 or 5.25 cm. Okay, this will be your radius. Radius will be of this much. So hemispherical, it is a bowl. So it can hold. Hold means anything can hold is always equal to the volume of it. So we will find the volume of hemisphere. Formula: volume of hemisphere is equal to what formula we will use? We will use this one. 2 by 3 pi R cube is equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 5.25 into 5.25 into 5.25, because cube is there. So by 3 we will cut it. 3 1 ja 3, 2, 3 7 21 और 3 5 15. 7 से by 7 7 ja 49 or this. Okay, so here to multiply I will use the calculator. These two we are multiplying. Okay, now these two we are multiplying. And if you will round up it, it will make 7, 5 will make it 8, 8 will make it 9, 9 will make it 2, and 2 will not increase it. So answer is your 3.3 cm cube. Okay, now you have to find the liter it can hold. So formula is our 1 cm cube is equal to 1 milliliter. So 1000 cm cube is equal to 1 liter. It will be 1 liter. Okay, so for heat this we will convert to liters. So formula is 1 cm as 1 liter. So 3.3 cm cube equal to 3.3 upon 1000 liters equal to, it will be equal to 3, so 3 places decimal will come, 303 liters, and this will be your answer. This much milk it can hold, milk can hold, milk can hold. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, this you have to remember, this is the formula. Okay, now we will go to question number 6. Now question number 6. A hemispherical tank is made up of iron sphere of 1 centimeter thick. If the inner radius is 1 meter, means it is like this, and inner radius, this inner radius is R is equal to, inner radius they are saying, inner radius is equal to 1 meter. And this thickness, they are saying thickness, this thickness means this portion, this thickness is equal to, in the question it is given 1 centimeter. So we will cover it in meter, so is equal to 1 upon 100 is equal to 0.01 meter. Okay, so this is, now they want find the volume of iron used. So how much, this is of iron, so how much iron will be used? First we will find the volume of inner, and then volume of outer, and from outer if you will reduce this, then the this thickness, this iron will come, then iron will come. Okay, so first we will make the inner volume. So volume of inner bowl is equal to, it is a hemispherical, so 2 upon 3 pi r cube is equal to 2 upon 3 pi, and r is equal to 1. So into pi into 1 meter cube. Okay, so it will be 44 upon 21 into 1 m cube. Okay, now outer surface, so radius of outer surface, outer is equal to inner plus thickness. So inner is 1 meter and thickness is 0. And inner and thickness is 0.01 meter. So outer radius will be 1.01 meter. It will be. So outer, now volume of outer bowl, it is hemisphere. Okay, hemispheric. So equal to 2 by 3 into pi, 22 by 7 into 1.01 into 1.01. Again 44 upon 21 into, and if you multiply it, it comes like this, 03, 03 and 01. It will come like this. Okay, so now the iron used. So iron used will be outer volume minus inner volume. Okay, so outer volume is 44 by 21 into 1, and inner is 44 upon 21 into 1.0303 and 01. If we take the common out, 44 by 21, if we will take the common out, what will remain? It will remain this we will put first. Okay, 1 minute. outer volume. Outer volume I have put wrong, 0.30301, and inner volume is 1. Inner volume is 1. Okay. So 1.030301 minus 1, this one. So what will come? 44 upon 21 into 0.0303 and 01. Here I will use the calculator. (44) into this I am multiplying. 1.333244 upon 21. Okay. Upon 21. So this will be equal to 0.06348 meter cube. Okay. 0.34 meter cube, and this will be your answer. Here this will be your answer. It will be your answer. Okay. Now we will go to question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7. Okay. Find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is 154 cm. So surface area they have given of the sphere, means this they have given. So from here we can find the R. R we can find, then only we can further find the volume or anything. So first we have to find the R. That's why we will start our question from here. So surface area of surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. So here it is given in the question 154 cm square. So 4 into 22 by 7 into r square equal to 154 cm square is equal to 88 by 7 into r square. This figure will come to this side and it will cross multiply. So 154 into 7 upon 88 is equal to r square. So here calculator I am using. By 11. Okay, by 2 coming 7. 7 into 7 it is 49. 49 upon 2 is equal to r square. And okay, so r equal to under root 49 upon 4 is equal to 7 into 7 upon 2 into 2 under root is equal to r. So here 1 we will take 7 and upon 2 is equal to r, or r equal to 7 divided 3.5 cm. So r we have find out in this question. So r is equal to 3.5 cm we have find out. Okay. Now I will rub it and go to the next part of the question. Now volume of sphere. Now volume we have to find out. Volume is equal to 4 upon 3 into pi into r cube. Okay. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3.5. 3.5 into 3.5 because cube is here into 3.5. Okay. So here this we can cut 0.5. Okay. Other is not divisible. So it will be 88 by 3 into this figure, 0.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. Here calculator I am using just to write the figure. Okay, so this we have multiplied and this we have written. Now this and this we have multiplied it and upon 3, and this will be your answer. So question number 7 is over. Now we will go to question number 8. Okay, now question number 8. Okay, question 8. Question: a dome of a building is in the form of hemisphere. Means it is like this. Dome is like this. It is okay. And here naturally it will be open space will be their dome. Okay, this is your dome. And it's from inside it was whitewashed, and the cost from inside it was whitewashed, and cost is rupees 4989.60 from inside at the rate rupees 20 rupees 20 per square meter per meter. Okay, so from here we can find the inner volume of the hemisphere, so of the curved surface area, inner. So inner volume, so inner surface area, curved surface area, we can find out curved surface area. So it will be equal to 4989.60 divided by 20. So inner curved surface area it will come out. I am using calculator. So it will come to 249.48 meter square. This is your curved surface area of hemisphere. This formula we have of hemisphere. This hemisphere's inner surface area. This is this much. Okay. Now from here we can do the inside. So we can find the R also, because we have a formula. So curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to of 2 pi r square, and you have find out this curved surface area. So we will put this figure here, 249.48. Okay, and equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r square. This we can find from here. So it will be 44 by 7 into r square, 249.48. This figure will come to this side and it will cross multiply. 249.48 into 7 upon 44 is equal to r square. So here calculator I am going to use. Divided, and this comes. So r equal to 39.62 and under root, and by calculator it comes to 6.3 is equal to r. So one thing we have find out, r is equal to 6.3 centimeter. We have find out it. So now we can go to the next part of the question. Now they want to find out the air inside it. So r is there. So if we will find the inside air, we can find the inside volume. Okay, so inside volume. So air inside is equal to the volume, of hemisphere. Volume equal to 2 by 3 into pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6.3. 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. By 3 we can cut it 2.1. By 7 we can cut it 0.9. Okay, and by this 44. 44 into here calculator I am using. One, two, three places. One minute. So I listen to 1 minute. Two point one into 0.9 into 6.3 equal to 11.907 into 44 equal to 523.908. But this will come. So here this 8 will make it 1 and 1 will not change this figure. So what will happen? 523.9 meter cube will be your answer. This will be your answer. Air inside the hemisphere, this will be your answer. Now we will go to next question, question number 9. Question number 7. So here 27 spheres are there. 27 spheres are there. Spheres are there, each of radius. Their radius is equal to r. Radius they have given. Radius equal to r they have given, and surface area of each radius and surface area s, and their surface area is given as s. Okay, as s, and this is melted, and after melting one another solid is made, and radius of that new sphere you have to find. New sphere, so new sphere, and its radius will be r-1. You have to find it, r-, and you have to find it, and you have to find it. This is the first question, and second part is your ratio of s and s dash. Okay, s and s dash. So first we will write the volume of 27 spheres, because that will be melted and then only new sphere can be built. Okay, so volume of one sphere is equal to what? Because it is r, so volume of one sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r and cube. It will be r, so it will be r cube. So volume of 27 spheres is equal to 27 into 4 by 3 into pi r cube. Okay, is equal to this one. And now this is melted. And a new sphere is made. Okay. So new sphere, new spheres volume, it will be equal to this much only, because after melting this we are using. Okay, into pi r cube. Okay, and as per the formula, what volume formula is 4 by 3 or 4 by 3 pi r. R here they are saying it is r1, r dash and cube of cube. It will be 4 by 3 pi r cube, and r will be treated as r dash. this will be equal to this much. This will be equal to this much. So 27 into 4 by 3 into pi r cube. So this we can take to this side. Okay. So or 4 by 3 pi r dash 3 upon these two figure we are taking to this side. 4 by 3 pi equal to this 27 and r3 will remain. So 27 r3 will remain to this side. So this will go out. Okay, so here what? R dash cube root is equal to 27 r cube. 27 r cube. Okay. So as power is the same, we can r cube. So r dash is equal to third root of 27 r cube. So how this will come? This will come as a 3 into 3 into 3 into r into r into r. So pair of 3 we will make. So r dash will be 3r. So this is the new. So here what will be your answer? Your answer will be 3r. Answer is 3r. It will be new radius. New radius will be 3r. Now we have to find the ratio of these. Okay, ratio of old and ratio of the new. Okay, I will rub it and go to the next part of the question. Now we have this new also and old. They have given old radius. Old radius was r. Old was r. So to ratio we have to find the surface area. Surface area. So surface area of old sphere. So it was r. So your answer will be 4r square. And surface area of new sphere, it will be equal to 4 pi r square. 1 minute. Now here it will be 4 into 4 pi and r square we will use this one, 3r is equal to 3r and square we will use. So it will become 4 pi and 9 r square it will become. So 4 9 are 36 pi r square it will become. Now the ratio, this is the of sphere, new sphere. So S dash will be, they have termed it as S and ratio. So ratio will be ratio equal to S upon S dash. S is 4 pi r square or S dash 36 pi r. We have not solved it so that cutting will be easy, otherwise too much calculation will be there. Otherwise this we have to cut. So what is the need to do? So 1 by 9. So is equal to 1 by 9. So ratio will be 1:9. This is your another answer. Okay. So one answer is this 3r. 3r is one answer, other is this one. By this your 9th question is over. We will go to the next question, 10th. Okay. Now question number 10. Here capsule of medicine is in the shape of a sphere. Capsule is in the shape of a sphere with the diameter 3.5. So diameter is equal to 3.5 mm. So its radius will be equal to 3.5 upon 2 is equal to 1.75 millimeter. Okay. How much medicine is needed to fill how much medicine? It depends on the diameter, it depends on the volume, and it is a sphere. So volume of sphere capsule capsule is equal to volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 1.75 into 1.75 into 1.75 mm cube it will come. Okay. So for this calculator I am using this multiply by calculator I am doing. So here it will not change, but it will change this figure. So it will become 22.46 millimeter cube. This will be your answer. Okay. So by this this chapter is over. Thanks for watching. Please share with your friend also and ask them to subscribe so that other videos we will be uploading, they can have also the benefit. Thank you.